stop guessing on the "we can't enroll your device" error in the Android Beta program. This is exactly how you beat it, without failing once. Most other tutorials for this enrollment bug are confusing or just plain wrong, because they tell you just try again later or clear your browser cookies. But that is a one-way ticket to never getting the latest Android 16 features. Before we fix the portal, you need to understand the logic, or you will just get stuck again. I am here to walk you hand in hand through the Google Groups permission bypass, so you cannot fail. You are watching Rexist, the only authority you need for Pixel 10 and Android beta fixes. This error usually happens because your Google account has a group manager restriction that prevents the beta program from automatically adding you to the testing group required for the OTA update. To fix this, navigate to the Google Groups settings page for your account right now. You must check the box that says allow group managers to direct add me to their groups and save your changes. Here is a secret trick other creators missed. If your device still isn't showing up after that, it is likely because it is hidden on Google Play. You must go to suspicious link removed and ensure your device visibility is toggled to show in menus, or the beta portal will return a silent enrollment failure every time. Rexis has verified that once these two settings are aligned, clicking the enroll button will work instantly without a refresh. After you opt in, check your system updates and the beta build will be waiting. Follow these steps and you will be testing the newest software in minutes. Comment below if you want the fix for the Android Beta Update Pause notification.